Hello, my dear students. Hope you're well and doing well and staying safe. I am Mrs. Alankrita Joseph, and today I'll be taking math class. Students, you all know about ordinal numbers as well. You also know about addition. So, what we'll do a quick revision on ordinal numbers as well as on addition. First, we'll go into the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, ordinal numbers. You already know about ordinal numbers, but I'll still tell you about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those which show us or tell us about the position of something or somebody. Okay, ordinal number tell us or show us the position of something or somebody. Take an example. We have a sports competition in our school. We all participate in that sports competition, and in that sports competition we also have the race. Okay, so some of you occupy the first position, some of you occupy the second position, some of you occupy the थर्ड पोजीशन. Does the teacher comes and tell you कि आप नंबर 1 आए हो, आप नंबर 2 आए हो, आप नंबर 3 आए हो? No. She says you have occupied the first position, second position and the third position. So this position is just an example of ordinal number. Okay, and I'll say how we'll write number 1 as first. Number 1 as first. FIR ST. Okay, got? Number 2 as second. SECOND. Got? Number 3 as THIRD. But there is bit of change. Okay, after writing first, second and third, when we'll start writing number 4, we'll be adding TH. You all know the numbers, right? So for number 1 we'll be writing first, number 2 second, number 3 third. But from the fourth onwards, from the number 4th onwards, we'll be writing FOUR. This is the spelling of 4. And after writing 4, we'll be adding TH. Got? And so on. And from the 4th onwards, we'll be adding TH after every number. See how we'll make the changes. FIF, TH, SIX, TH, for 7, SC, VEN, TH, 8. For number 8, we'll be writing EIGHTH. For number 9, we'll be writing NINTH. And for number 10, we'll be writing TENTH and so on. Okay, so again I am telling you, again I am repeating. For number 1 we'll be writing first, number 2 second, for number 3 third. But from the 4th onwards we'll be writing as number 4 as fourth. That means we'll be adding TH after every number. Got? Okay. Now to make you understand more about this ordinal number, we'll do the quick interesting activity. Okay, children? Now you can see these pictures. Okay, we have 10 pictures with us. Okay, and below this we have their position. I've already told you about the ordinal numbers. No, ordinal numbers, how do we write? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9th and 10. Okay, now we'll do an activity which will tell you more about ordinal numbers. So we'll find out the position of these objects. Let's take an example or find out the place of a star. We all love watching the star, no? star. So how we'll count it? See. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. What position we got? Sixth. So this is 6, SIXTH. In front of that we'll make a star. So we got the position of a star. Position of a star is number 6. Okay. Now we'll find out the place of an ice cream. We all love ice cream, right? Number 1, first, second, third, fourth. So what is the place of ice cream? What is the position of an ice cream? Is number 4th. And always remember, we'll start counting from the left hand side. Okay? We'll not start counting from here. Okay? We'll always start to count the ordinal numbers. We'll always start from left hand side. Okay. So let's find out the place of butterfly. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So now we got the place of butterfly also. So where is 8? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, here we got a butterfly also. Let's catch the butterfly. Okay, this is how we'll find out the place of each and every picture. Okay, so let's start doing the other one. For first, candle. For second, we got a triangle. For third, we got a flower. Okay, fifth, we got the tree with us. And for seventh, we got the beautiful house. Okay, and for ninth, so far is a book. And 10th, with books we get light, no? See, this is how we get the places or we get the position of these objects, and these are our ordinal numbers. Got it? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and so on. But always remember, we have to add th after every number. So now children, I hope you all have well understood about the ordinal number, and always remember, ordinal numbers show us the position of something or somebody, and the star word is that we always have to add th after every number. Okay, so now we'll go further into addition. Okay, so what is addition? When we add up to different object or to different thing, anything, when we add up, we get together, we get the sum of those object is known as addition. You can also write its definition. When we add two different objects, it gives us the sum of a combination or sum of the total object. Got it? So this is a addition. So I shall tell you one story to explain you more about addition. So once upon a time, father had a son, okay, and they decided they will go to the beach to do some fishing. Okay, so father had his basket with him. Okay, so they went for the fishing, and he got 2 fishes. Okay, how many fishes he got? 2 fishes. Can you see these fishes? Okay, so he put them in one basket. Son was happily watching it. Okay, so after half an hour, his dad got another one more fish. Okay, so the son was very happy and excited and asked his dad, is this fish are all for me? And his dad said, yes, my child. All these fishes are yours. So you can eat them, enjoy it. So how many, first time how many they have? 2. Second time they got 1 more. So when we add up these 2 fishes, and 1 here, how many we have? 1, 2, plus 1 more. We get 3. So this 3 is the sum of these fishes. Okay. So we'll do few exercises to make you more understand about addition. Now we'll do some exercise to so that you can understand. Okay, you can understand well. Okay, suppose the 2 plus 1. This is the sign of plus addition. Okay, take your hands and count. In all we have 5 fingers in each hand. So start counting. 1, 2. In another hand we'll count 1, 2. This one, 3. Yes. Okay. We'll take the another example. 3 plus 2. Again lift up your hand. See how many fingers we have? 5. 1, 2, 3. And what we have to add up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Okay. So how many we got? 3 from this side. 1, 2, 3. 2 from this side. 4, 5. In all together we got 5. So this is how we do our addition. But addition also has some types. We'll look into this, okay? So this is known as horizontal addition. Horizontal addition. Okay. And we'll go further into vertical addition. How we'll do the vertical addition? See. What? 4, 2 plus. This is called vertical addition. Okay. So again we'll lift up your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6. In all together, what we got? 6. Okay. 4 plus 2, we have 6 with us. One more exercise. 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In other hand, 7 and 8. All together we got 8 with us. So this is known as horizontal addition. This is known as vertical addition. See, method is same, just the way of writing is changed. Okay, we are doing with our hands only, and this comes under addition only. So what you have to do, use your fingers and do the addition. So open your book, page number 107, lesson number 8, more about addition. In that chapter, we have our first exercise, add and write the answer in the box. Okay, you all can see, open your book. Okay, children. Now, on that page, you can see we have 10 pencil with us. Same here, we have 10 pencil with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first number 10 plus 0. Suppose we are adding 0 with this 10 pencil. What we'll get? same as it is. We are not adding anything. Okay, so we'll again get 10 pencil with us. Okay, second number, 10 plus 2. We'll add 2 more pencils. So we already know this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Altogether we get 12 pencil with us. Next one is 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 we have. 10 we already have. 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we got? 14. So I hope you have understood this well. Now remaining, practice at home, practice addition, try to learn ordinal numbers, try to learn changes we make in ordinal numbers, and do as much as practice you can do in addition. Okay students, practice more, stay safe, stay well, and keep smiling like you always do, and keep learning and keep practicing math. Okay, stay safe, be happy.